हेलो गाइस, क्या हाल है आप सबका। आप सब बढ़िया होंगे। तो आज मैं आया हूँ लीला एम्बियंस में। और लीला एम्बियंस दिल्ली, जहाँ पे एनजी इंडिया की एक कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है। तो ये एक टेक कॉन्फ्रेंस है जो एंगुलर जेएस से रिलेटेड है, जो कि जावास्क्रिप्ट की लाइब्रेरी है। तो चलिए एक्सप्लोर करते हैं कि इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में क्या क्या होने वाला है और कौन कौन से गेस्ट हैं। बाकी चीज़ें आपको मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगी। चलिए लेट्स एक्सप्लोर इट, व्हाट इज दिस टेक कॉन्फ्रेंस इज ऑल अबाउट। ओके। Hey guys, I am here at the NgIndia, and so I am at the Sync Fusion at Leela, Ambience, Delhi. So it's been great with the Sync Fusion. As you all know, Sync Fusion is widely being used in the Android applications and in Flutter as well. So let me speak with some of the person of the Sync Fusion. So let's check their what they have worked till now and how they are presenting themselves. So let's see.
Hi, this is Christopher from Syncfusion, and we are UI component selling vendors actually, and we have 1800 plus components in all the platforms like Blazor, .NET Mavi, React, Angular, Chart. I mean, and we have some popular components like Data Grid, Chart, Scheduler, Rich Text Editor, and all. We have 80 plus components in all each platforms, and we are 23 years in business actually, and we have 400 plus companies in Fortune 500 companies. Those are our customers, and we are having free license for individuals and small business. Those are having 1 million in revenue, below 1 million revenue for the annual period. So that's all. That's all.
So hey guys, लाइक मैं यहाँ पे आया हुआ हूँ एनजी इंडिया में, तो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्टॉल्स यू कैन सी इट आईवी, एंड यू हैव resume, like resumex, and few more things. So this is a conference about Angular. तो let's see और explore करते हैं और क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे. So let's see. Hello guys, this is Zangat Singh.
I just plug it
You
in.
can plug it.
Okay, good.
So you can explain like what is the platform is
Hey,
all about.
hi. Yeah, so we have a ResumeX marketplace platform. So it's about the gig work. So where you can work remotely with employers all over the world. The platform is basically trying to put into ethical practices in for the software development work as well. So once you upload your resume, you get Caliber tokens. Then you can stake on your friends. Now it's like a LinkedIn recommendation, but only thing is you get limited number of tokens and you can stake only that much. So that means you will utilize it wisely. And now what happens is if I stake on someone, they do a good work, they complete their contracts on time, or they learn new skills. What happens is they start earning more Caliber points, and in turn, according to the percentage, you start earning it. So that's one way where we are all helping each other to do good work. Second is you can get onto platform on the marketplace where you can do the remote work directly, and employers will connect with you. So it's anonymous on the marketplace platform, so that they don't get your contact details directly, but they get to see your avatar, they can interact with it, and then once they want to get into touch with you for work, they have to pay to you to get the details, and that's what you. And then the on the contracts which happen, those are smart contracts, so those are deterministic, so that the everything is predetermined, that okay, what you need to, let's say if you need to achieve page load time, so that is preset into the contract. As soon as that is achieved, you get paid. So that's how the platform is. So do check it out.
It will work for freelancers, business people. So what is it for, like
So
what is
it's
the audience?
Yeah, so it's for the freelancers. You can do the gig work through this, as well as enterprise class work. So it doesn't have to be individual. So you can come together, form a team, and then work on a contract. So that is also possible. The advantage of the payment will happen through the like blockchain. So it's directly distributed. So there is no double taxation. Someone has to collect the money and then redistribute it. So that won't happen. So these are the advantages what the platform gives.
Okay, thank you. It was very insightful discussion with
Nikhil.
Nikhil, and hopefully we would get on board for this awesome software and awesome platforms in future. Thank you.
Sure. Thank
So I am here at the 7N. So it's been very nice talking with the sir. So do follow them and do like us, subscribe. Thank you.
Hey, hi, welcome to 7N. We are an IT consulting firm based out of Denmark, and in India we are situated in Gurgaon since last 17 years. We specialize in providing staffing solutions to our top IT clients for our top IT professionals in the market and cater to their complex IT business needs. Um, NgIndia is one of our very old event which we keep on attending, and we are looking forward to interact with all of you. So please visit our booth because we would love to take you into a world of IT wherein we are revolutionizing the way we actually deliver projects and deliver development. Thank you so much.
You can also follow us on Instagram.
Of course, and you must follow us on LinkedIn, on Insta, 7N Global. That is, and we look forward to interact with you.
Can also fire data events, like you can send data back to the server. This is also considered as a effect, a side effect. And with those three different principles, with these three different building blocks, you are able to run any application architecture that you need. Very simple to understand, but you need to connect those those three primitives somehow, and therefore I will try to click the next slide here.
ये देखिए, ये कॉन्फ्रेंस है, ये कन्वेंशन हॉल है लीला एम्बियंस का। यहाँ पे ये कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है। ये डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्टॉल्स लगे हुए हैं एग्जीबिशन के लिए, जो कि एनजी इंडिया को प्रमोट कर रहे हैं, एज वेल एज काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे। हर चीज़ों को एक्सप्लोर करते हैं और क्या क्या है इस इवेंट के अंदर। लेट्स सी। गेस्ट आए हुए हैं जो कि एक स्पीकर हैं जो अपनी बात बता रहे हैं कि किस तरह से एनजी इंडिया के अंदर एंगुलर जेएस के क्या स्कोप है।
Good. That's it for today. If you're interested in more of those architectural tricks and tips, be it on workshops and other consulting services, you can check them out. You can also start our repository
Hey everyone, so we are at the NG India, and I am from like Code Investor Coders. So let's check out the new platform which one of the person is introducing. So let's see what they're telling about.
Hi, my name is Shweta. I'm here from Ivy today. Ivy is a software technology center. We are a technology capability center to a digital entertainment domain, and we have skills like Java, .NET, React, Angular, etc. So do visit our page, our careers page, for more details. Thank you.